Hello everyone! Welcome to Trying on Fun Times with Diva LaVida. I'm Diva LaVida. Thanks for joining me. Today we are gonna try on my fabulous green outfit. Enjoy! So this is my Moves Like Jagger costume. Moves Like Jagger, of course, by Maroon 5 and Christina Aguilera. Originally, this signature act was created for Thrifty Thrills, a show where we had to use non-conventional materials in order to create our costumes. So imagine all of this, if you can, made out of office supplies, specifically bubble wrap. That costume died a Viking death on stage, and so after that initial premiere, I had this costume designed for me by one Liz Hoffman, who, if you watch Scantily Clad in the Kitchen, you've seen her on there with me. So yeah, she built most of this costume here for me. This boa, of course, I got off of Amazon. It is not the highest quality, but it has gotten me through for quite some time, so way to go there. Watch out for feathers, they're everywhere! So yes, this fabulous coat, designed by Liz, it's got 4 buttons in it, which is great in the routine. It gives me a lot of time to, woo, look over there, and then I undo these buttons over here, and woo, look over there, and it's very snazzy, kind of shiny. Catches the light very nicely because the sequins were built into the fabric. What? So yeah, sometimes it catches on stuff, and that's just the nature of the game, as it were. Pa-pow! So she also made these really nice pants for me with like these really nice stripy detail here in the pants, really fun stuff. 1 button. How does she do it? I don't know. She is a professional. I love the fact that it's got like this really nice wide leg to it. Really allows me to move around upon the stage, which is great. So these, I don't know if you can see the shoes. Pow! These shoes, DSW baby. Strong recommend if you need some wacky shoes. DSW's got you covered. So, in case for all of my baby burlesquers out there getting those pants over those shoes, whoo! God bless. Just do your best. That's all you can do. It's about getting them over the heel more than anything else. And once you got that, then you're good to go. If you are one of those silly queens, you can find a way to work that into your choreography. You're gonna need to. So these panties here, I honestly don't remember where I bought them from. Maybe it was Charlotte Russe, maybe it was Sears. Couldn't tell you. But they're cute. I like the gray. I wanted a silver thing because I wanted to sort of evoke bubble wrap somehow. So that was kind of the color choice with all of this. The bra, couldn't tell you where I bought this bra. Bought this bra somewhere and then just hot glued, or maybe at E6000, I glued all these various rhinestones to the cups. Jewels, I think, brought to us by Joann's. So sometimes you gotta take some time, put in the arts and crafts to make that happen. So, within the routine, if you've ever seen the routine, you know the bra comes off, ba-boop, 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 and of course the hat comes down. What? This bra is so heavy. You have no idea how heavy this bra is. These rhinestones, they're very heavy. Watch out, clunk sound, pow. The hat, also purchased on Amazon, if I remember correctly. You'll see it's got so much grit and grime and makeup in it, so those are the dangers of having a white hat. But then, ba-doop, the pasties, also designed for me by Liz Hoffman. If you'll notice, same material that's in the coat. Sometimes the seashells are really lovely. So, thanks for watching, bye!